Okay, next topic is for the families of curves. If an equation involves a parameter, then it represents a family of curves. With one curve for each particular value of the parameter, okay, the following equation illustrate the family of curves. Okay, number 1. Y is equal to Cx. One parameter. Family of lines. Passing through the origin. Given figure. Okay, when you say family, more than one, more than two. We have this one. Passing through the origin. Okay, this one is your y-axis. And this one is your x-axis. Okay, 0, 0. Because passing through the origin. All lines are passing to the origin. Okay, number 2, we have y is equal to ax squared. One parameter. Family of parabolas. With axis as y. Okay, therefore, the given equation, given figure, parabolas, this one is the y-axis, x-axis. Okay, next, number 3. Okay, for number 3, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Okay, one parameter. Family of concentric circles with centers at the origin. A given figure, the center of the circle is at the origin. Okay, therefore, this one is your y-axis and x-axis. Okay, number 4, x squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared. This one is under the 2 parameters. Family of circles whose centers on y-axis. Okay. Figure y-axis, then this one is the x-axis. X-axis, y-axis. Okay. For the circle. Then we have okay, next, number 5. And for number 5, we have x minus h squared plus y squared equal to r squared. Again, this one is under the 2 parameters. Family of circles. Centers on the x-axis. Okay. We have all are on the center of x-axis. Therefore, all the circle, the origin of the circle is lying on the x-axis. This one is your y-axis, and this one is your x-axis. Number 6, x minus c squared plus y minus c squared equal to 2c squared. This one is under the 1 parameter. Family of circles. With center on the line y is equal to x and passing through the origin. Figure y-axis, then we have the x-axis. Then we have this one as y is equal to x. Okay, therefore, the origin of the circle okay.